What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we are going to be taking a look at the Ray-Ban RB4171 Erica Classic sunglasses I picked up from Sunglass Hut for $147. They don't get any stars, they don't get any reviews, but today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions right here. These sunglasses do come in 8 different colorways. They are all polarized, by the way, which is good to know because I did review a pair of Scuderia Ferrari Brazil Ray-Ban sunglasses ages ago, like back when I first started my YouTube channel. Not all the Scuderia Ferrari Brazil variants were polarized. Some of them were a little bit more dressy, others were more sporty. But with the Erica Classic sunglasses, you should be good to go with any colorway being polarized. So they do come in 8 different colorways. They come in black, gray, which I have in front of us here today, and black with brown lenses. Now, I did name off about 4 different black styles. Black gray, the variant that I have in front of us here today, is the only style that has these matte finished frame and temple tips on the sunglasses. The other black variants are this glossy finish. They're a little bit more dressy. I went with the black gray because I thought they were a little bit more subdued and not as stand out. I bit the bullet and picked up a really nice pair of sunglasses. A pair that I'll have for a while and that I'll take really good care of. I have had my run-ins with fake sunglasses from Ray-Ban that I bought off of Amazon using Amazon Prime. And I can tell you right off the bat that this leather case just is softer and more supple than, you know, the case you get with a pair of fake Ray-Bans. What's really nice is you get this sort of stitching around the lid of the sunglass case here. And of course, it is a button down. We can go ahead and pull the sunglasses out. Now, they don't have any type of wrapping on them or anything like that. We'll put them off to the side. I did wear them out of the store yesterday. Momentarily, before we get into the paperwork, here is what the case looks like. It is this sort of suede felt interior, which is really nice, which will definitely keep the sunglasses fingerprint free, hopefully. When I do close them to button them down, I feel like I'm just pressing down a little bit too hard on the sunglasses. One thing that I noticed about this carrying case when compared to carrying cases I get with fake Ray-Bans off of Amazon is the fake cases off of Amazon come with like a belt loop, or maybe that was just the particular model that I ordered. Red Ray-Ban logo with a gray cleaning cloth. Surprised to not see a black cleaning cloth. It's like a light fabric that really makes it easy to clean the sunglasses and get in between tight spaces and so on and so forth. They're a little bit less tinted at the bottom of the lens and more tinted toward the top of the lens. Not sure if these are officially like a sport style sunglasses. They're a little bit dressy, but they are polarized. Not sure how these are going to fare when I take these out on a bike ride or even when we go kayaking. We'll see how they reflect light. We'll do like a review in a couple months from now, but here's what they look like from the side. They're very lightweight actually and very comfortable. You hardly know that they're on your head. As you can see here, it's an all metal and glass and sort of plastic construction. If I rotate the sunglasses off to the side, you can see that the nose mount, or yeah, the bridge, doesn't really protrude as much. I really wanted to point out the metal construction there. It's leaning off the kitchen light there. Hopefully my camera can stay in focus. I actually had a really good focus there in the beginning, but you get that same matte finish around the ear tips, which like I said was really comfortable. And it's not just at the bottom of the stem of the sunglasses. It actually makes its way up a little bit, a decent way, like probably a third, or maybe, yeah, I would say a third of the way, to really ensure that no matter what kind of fit you are, that they're gonna be comfortable either way. So I really like that. You know, when you order from Amazon, you just don't know what you're getting. You don't know if you're getting something that is actually polarized or not. You know, my dad paid $140 for a pair of fake Maui gyms that are supposed to be polarized. Who knows if they're polarized or not? And it's definitely worth paying just a couple of dollars more. I mean, $20 or $30 more for a legitimate pair of sunglasses that you know for sure will be polarized. So anyways, guys, don't make these mistakes like I have in the past. I hate to break it to you. I mean, if that's your style, then go for it, then good for you. I wanted something real, and I think when it comes to, like I said previously, your eye health, I think you should definitely go for a real pair of sunglasses. So with that being said, I am going to just enjoy the crap out of these sunglasses and you know, check in with you guys in a month, in a year from now. Stick around if you want to see me review these in the future to see how they wear and hold up, so you can make a better informed decision about sunglasses in the future and what brand you should go with. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions. My name is John. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.